What's going on? Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com, and I just wanted to make this quick video for you to introduce the pub.learnautobodyandpaint.com forum. It's an awesome platform that we have here, and it's for you. It's for you to post your story, to share your projects, to learn more about auto body, to connect with other people in the community, and I hope you enjoy it as much as we did building it, and we're still in the process of building it out. So here's how to get started. If you're totally brand new, if you look at the top right of the site here, it's going to show you a sign up tab. So you're just going to click sign up. As of now, it's only able to sign you up through email. We haven't integrated the social media as of yet, but when that goes live, we will let you know as soon as possible. Another thing, we are having issues with Hotmail and AOL mail accounts. So when you sign up with an email address, use anything except Hotmail and AOL accounts because you will not receive a notification to verify your email when getting registered to the forum. All right, so after you do that, okay, after you click this button and sign up, you're going to click this and introduce yourself here. So that's super simple. You just go here. I just kind of go over what you should talk about very quickly, and then I actually told my story. I even have a video of my story on how I got started with auto body. If you want to post your own YouTube video, that's fine. Just grab the link off of YouTube and just post it. All right, so we have people posting a bunch of images here. I would rather this be a short story about yourself, how you got into auto body. You could post your projects in the other section of the forum. So I may be actually moving this specific users to a different part of the forum here. But basically just type, here's one from Glenn Wright. 74 years old, I love cars. Quick little intro about yourself. Here's another one. One picture is fine, I guess, but try not to just load it up with images. So all you got to do is go to the bottom. You could use this scrolly bar here and go all the way to the bottom and just click reply and share your story. Okay. Another cool thing is when you want to talk to people and mention their names, all you have to do is click the A symbol, right? And then click on that person. So if you wanted to reply to Captain here, SC Captain, you just do that and then they will actually get a notification when you reply back to somebody. All right, so I encourage you to like other people's posts, heart them, like them, talk to people in the community, share your story, and if we go back to the main, if you click on this image here, it always goes back to the home page. You could see the newest, unread, the latest. If we go to basic auto body and paint, all right, you're going to have some topics here. If you don't see something that you're looking into, just create a new topic and try to make it keyword rich, pertaining to exactly what you're looking for, what you need help with, or what you're putting out there to help people with. All right, so just create a topic, super easy. You put a headline in here. You're going to want to keep it in basic auto body if you're in this section, in this category. You could see Santa Bare Metal. Somebody posted their project or question. I replied with a video. Somebody else replied. All right, pretty easy. Basic must-have tools, base coat adhesion, biting. Somebody posted a picture. He's having a issue with biting, and I posted a video. Reply. All right, so super cool. I really look forward to seeing you here at the pub.learnautobodyandpaint, and go ahead, sign up, click this little link right here, introduce yourself at the bottom of the post by scrolling down, and I will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.